This is a case of Renato A. Castillo versus Lea P. De Leon Castillo, GR number 189607, April 18, 2016. The facts of the case are: on May 25, 1972, the respondent Lea P. De Leon was married to Benjamin Bautista. However, their marriage was null and void for the reason that they have not secured a marriage license during the celebration of the marriage, and that on January 6, 1979, Lea subsequently married Renato A. Castillo, the petitioner, without obtaining a judicial decree of nullity of the first marriage. On May 28, 2001, Lea and Renato's relationship turned sour. Renato filed before the RTC a petition for declaration of nullity of marriage on the grounds of her subsisting marriage to Bautista and psychological incapacity under Article 36 of the Family Code. Lea claimed that her marriage to Bautista was null and void as they have not secured any license therefore. On January 3, 2002, the respondent, Lea, filed an action to declare her first marriage to Bautista void. RTC declared their marriage with Bautista null and void. However, on March 23, 2007, RTC declared the marriage between petitioner and respondent null and void ab initio on the ground that it was a bigamous marriage, since Lea failed to obtain a judicial decree of nullity for her first marriage before contracting her second marriage with Renato. Lea filed an appeal with the CA. The CA reversed the RTC's decision and upheld the validity of the marriage, saying that Lea's marriages were solemnized in 1972 and 1979 prior to the effectivity of the Family Code. The Civil Code is the applicable law since it is the law in effect at the time the marriages were celebrated. The Civil Code does not state that a judicial decree is necessary in order to establish a nullity of a marriage. Petitioner moved for reconsideration but was denied by the CA, hence this petition for certiorari. Issue: whether or not a judicial declaration is necessary to establish the nullity of a marriage celebrated prior to the effectivity of the Family Code on August 3, 1988. Ruling: the court held that the validity of a marriage and all its incidents must be determined in accordance with the law in effect at the time of the celebration of the marriage. In this case, the law in force at the time of Lea contracted both marriages was the Civil Code. Hence, the court must resolve this case using the provisions under the Civil Code on void and voidable marriages. The Civil Code contains no express provision on the necessity of judicial declaration of nullity of a void marriage. Petition denied. CA's decision affirmed.